Every ERP solution provides some type of built-in financial reporting tool, allowing you to generate financial statements within the ERP with live data. But let's be honest, nobody likes learning a new tool if they don't have to. Since Excel is widely used, has incredible analytical power, and offers excellent formatting and visual functionality, it will always be the go-to product for accounting department personnel. Our team at Opus Global Data Solutions understands this reality, but we also want to help you eliminate the time and effort that is required to manually update and maintain your spreadsheets. With this in mind, we often recommend Velixo Reports, an Excel add-in which embeds into Excel the functionality needed to bring real-time data from your ERP right into your spreadsheets. If you know how to use Excel, you pretty much already know how to use Velixo. To get started, you just need to create a connection to the ERP. After giving the connection a name to use in your functions and typing in your regular ERP login credentials, you're ready to begin building a worksheet with live data. I'll start by bringing in my chart of accounts and account names. As I begin typing in and selecting my functions, Excel will provide me with the instructions to ensure I include all necessary parameters. In this case, I will add the account ending balance for November 2019 in column C. If I want a more dynamic sheet, I could build my function with fixed references to cells that include, for example, financial period. This lets me change the financial period filter to instantly update my sheet. On this tab, we have an example of a P&L that allows me to view a consolidated report, but then also view data for a specific branch. If I am viewing this report and then leave my desk for an hour for lunch, I just need to click refresh to pull in the most up-to-date figures. Remember, your ERP is still the single source of truth for your data. Excel is just the familiar tool you are using for formatting and analysis. If you ever need to audit your data, simply right-click the cell and select Drill Down. Excel will open a sheet with GL detail information and also include links to easily navigate back into your ERP to view the relevant transactions. Velixo can be used to report on any type of data in your ERP, not just the typical figures found on a balance sheet or P&L. For example, you might want to bring in overdue AR records, project data, budget figures, or customer information. I've used a function on this sheet to build out a price list for all my stock items. Keep in mind that this is a dynamic list that will change as we add, remove, or modify the stock items in my ERP, ensuring my workbook is always up to date. If you are currently maintaining several different workbooks and firing off multiple emails to different recipients, we can help you streamline that process as well. With the distribution list feature, you can build out a list of recipients and specify which data they will receive. In this example, I am sending the entire workbook to my CFO, and then branch-specific P&L data in PDF format to one of my branch managers. To distribute these files via email, and also save them to a file storage location if necessary, I just need to click Distribute All. Or, I can select one line and only distribute that specific report. The best part is that I can revisit this tab next month and distribute these reports to all my recipients again with one single click. Are you currently using Excel for complex calculations and then manually entering the figures into your ERP? We can help you streamline this process with write-back capabilities that allow you to import journal transactions, project figures, budget, and a variety of other data, all with one click. As an example, I am using Velixo in Excel to help me identify the proper allocation of my credit card expense for the month of November. With one click, I can import the transaction and view it in the ERP, sparing me the duplicate data entry. If you would like to discuss your ERP reporting needs and other requirements to manage all aspects of your business, please contact us by calling our team or visiting us online.